Hello everyone, this is Naveen's Technical Solutions channel. Today we will discuss about HTML, and in this playlist we will find all the topics of the HTML. Today we will see what is the basics of the HTML. At first, what is HTML and what is the uses of HTML, where we use this HTML. Okay, we will see now. At first, what is HTML? And what is the full form of HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the full form of the HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. And why this HTML is used to design a web page? HTML used for designing a web page or any app, and number of web pages are created by this HTML. Basically, HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages, and HTML elements are represented by the tag symbol, and HTML elements are represented by tag symbol. Here less than and greater than symbol is there na. These are the HTML tag. Now if you know about this HTML before, the common doubts regarding this HTML will be, what is the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript? If you know this HTML very less also, you will raise a common doubt that what is HTML and what is the CSS and what is this JavaScript? Why these are all used to design a web page? See here, these three are combined to design a web page. Here web page is there na, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These three are combined to form a web page, where HTML represents the structural form of the code, means the outline of the code will be represented by HTML, and CSS, the presentational skills will be represented by the CSS code, where CSS will give the styles and color and so etc will be designed by this CSS, and JavaScript, the functionality of the web page. The functionality of the web page will be dependent on this JavaScript. We will see one example how these three are related in our daily life. Okay, I will show you one example. See here, this is an constructing house, where how this was looking like, where it was in construction and basic structure, it was in a basic structure, and this is the HTML form, where HTML looks like this, as a basic structure, and after using CSS we will design and we will style it or we will color it, and the designs will be made through this CSS. And what is the functionality of the web page? If you created any web page like this is a web page. What is the code for this web page? See here, to view this web page you have to write all this HTML code, where this all code will represent only this web page. The small web page will be represented by writing all this HTML code. Okay, like this. Now we will go to the topic. See, you understand the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript, where HTML is the structural format, CSS is used to presentational skills, and JavaScript is used for the functionality behavior. The functionality behavior will be set by this JavaScript. But by present, only we are using only this HTML for basics, where the CSS and JavaScript will come on further classes. By now, we will discuss only about this HTML. At present, the present version of the HTML running is HTML5. We all are using this HTML5 for creating any web pages. Okay. What is the basic representation of the any HTML code? Between these tags we will write all the code. See, this less than or greater than symbols is there na, this was represented like a tag, this one called as a tag. In these tags you will write all the code. The starting line of the code will be start by tag html tag close, and the body of the code will be written here, and closed tag will be written here. HTML, closed HTML, like that. Head, closed head. Body, closed body, like that. For every tag there is a open tag, and there is also closed tag. And like this there are so many tags are used to build this HTML code. Okay, but we will see further how these tags are used. Okay, some of the important tags, these are I will discuss later, these all tags, after seeing one point. Here now see, which software is better for HTML execution. For example, any Java code, from where you will execute the Java, like Eclipse or any Notepad, we'll use now. For HTML also we will use Notepad or any or other softwares also. But the best software used for this HTML is Sublime Text. Okay, here Sublime Text is the best ever software used for this HTML. Here I will show you how to download this Sublime Text software and how to install it. I am sharing the description of the I am sharing the link of the download option for in Windows and also iOS in description. Now see how I am downloading the Sublime Text. Here in online, please type Sublime Text. You will see a icon like download. Here when you click on the download you will get many versions like OS version, Windows 32-bit version, and Windows 60 to 64-bit version also will get. And present I am using Windows 64-bit version, so I am downloading it. Just click on Windows 64-bit. Okay, you just click on Windows 64-bit. Here it was downloading. Okay, see, it was downloading here, where it contains 10.4 MB. Wait for downloading. You also type Sublime Text in your systems and download the Windows version in your system. Whatever the version you have. If you have iOS, download the OS X. Or if you have Linux, download it. For I am launching it. Yes, have to install. Next, install. Okay. Actually, I am already having the Sublime Text. That's why I am getting that ignore message. For you, it will not show like that. After downloading, the Sublime Text icon will be shown like this. Okay, here see, after opening, you will see this tab. Okay, I am going to presentation now. Now we will see the tags. Before I left now, the tags I will discuss now. I already said that the starting line of the HTML code will be tag HTML and last line will be closed HTML. And in between these HTML tags, you will write all these tags. Head tag is used for write heading, and title tag is used for title, and body tag will be all the functions or CSS functions or JavaScript functions, all will be written only in this body tag. And This hashtag will also the heading tag, and this B is bold tag. To written in bold you have to write this bold tag, and this I is Italian tag. I will all briefly discuss after later, but present now I am only explaining, not explaining briefly. See how I am explaining. This was unlisted, unordered list. This was order list. See now, this was very important. These all having opening tag and close tag, opening tag and close tag, opening tag and close tag. But this BR is used to break the line. To break the line, this BR tag is used, but there is no closing tag for this BR. For BR, there is no closing tag. I will show you example by doing on it. See here, this is the basic structure of the HTML language. See here, you said that the starting line will be only HTML, but why here doc type is written like that? No need of writing also this, but why this doc type is written here? Where here exclamatory doc type, why it is written here? To order all your code, this doc type is written here. If you order all the code, you have to write this doc type. HTML tag, closed HTML tag, HTML tag, closed HTML tag, head tag, closed head tag, title tag, closed title tag, body tag, closed body tag. I will show you the example how it will be executed. Click after opening the Sublime text, open it and click on file and new file. You will be open like this. You have to, and first you have to save it. Click on file, click on save. Any folder you create like HTML tutorial, and inside tutorial 1 I have created, I have already there 2 files. I am creating the third file now, so I am creating file 3 dot. The extension is very important here. Dot html you have to write here. Here the extension dot html is very important here. If you not written this, the HTML code not works. So I am saving here. I have saved. I have already said that the starting line will be HTML close, and the ending tag will be slash HTML. Automatically it will come. The starting tag will be HTML. The ending tag will be slash HTML. Close HTML. In between this, we will write all the codes. Okay. And now I am writing head tag. I will briefly explain about what all this, but now I am showing the basic example of it. Here head tag. In head the title will come. The title tag is there. Title. I am writing title HTML tutorial 1 example. Like that I have written some title here. Okay. And again I am saving it. Save. Here after save, you go to the path which you have saved it. Here file 3 I like that only na I have saved. I am opening that file 3. Here the blank page it was showing, but I have written a title na here. What is that? HTML tutorial 1 example. Where is it? In this blank page. See here. HTML tutorial 1 example. Where to write this title, here title tag is used. Okay. Now I am going to the body tag. Body tag written like this. Inside, at present, for your understanding, I am writing only. I am writing only the just normal code. I am Naveen from Universe. Like that, I have written. I have saved it. I am going there now and refresh it. See here, I am Naveen from KL University. So this is the basic structure of the HTML. By having all this, we will update and return and develop a web page like this. In future classes we will also learn all the tags and all the things, and we also design a web page. For more updates, see our channel, Naveen Technical Solutions channel. See, this class I have said about what is the HTML and what is the full form of HTML and difference between the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and which version we are using now, and how the HTML representation will be, and some important tags, and which software is used for HTML execution for better software. Not only this, there are many softwares, but I think that the best software is Sublime Text, and the link will be displayed in the description part. Click on that and download it, where this is the basic format of the HTML. And by next class we will discuss the HTML elements. What are the HTML elements and what are the HTML tags, and what we will discuss in next class. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. My channel name is Naveen Technical Solutions. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for next videos. Thank you everyone.